Manifesting 3 Wishes meditation. As you sit down by the water's edge, a beautiful, beautiful ocean in front of you, the waves lapping around your feet. The sun glistening on the water like diamonds.
Good morning from beautiful Bali.
Morning.
We just had a wonderful sleep, and after that we done some nice meditation. Always good to meditate before you start your day and plan your wishes for the day and manifest beautiful things.
And today is Wednesday, and we have some exciting things today we're gonna do, so you can follow us during the day. So let's begin.
What are you doing?
We're gonna wash some clothes. We don't have a washing machine now, so we're doing hand wash with soap nuts liquid.
Really good and natural. What can you do better when you don't have a washing machine than washing in the bathtub? A bit cloudy here today, but you can't complain when it's like 25 degrees outside and you have this beautiful pool in front of you. So now it's time for some beautiful fruity breakfast. So what's up for breakfast, honey?
We have some soursop, and you've probably seen videos. We made videos when we opened soursop. That was when Tobias opened one in Hawaii.
And it's one of our favorite fruits: durian, soursop.
Yeah, rollinia,
Jackfruit.
We have many favorite fruits actually.
So, why is it black?
It's so ripe.
Wow.
It's really ripe.
So you have to wait until it gets really moist, or what you say?
Yeah,
really
it should
soft.
be really soft.
Yeah. So there's nothing to worry about if you have a black jackfruit. I mean, soursop, long as it's wow.
It's white and beautiful inside.
Yes, and not hard.
Yeah.
Black and hard. You have to be soft and black.
Nice.
So fantastic. Ta-da! And this is soursop seeds I've been drying, so we can put it in coconut pots and grow some new soursop trees. So also, if any are interested of soursop seeds, just write the comment down below and we can see if we can organize some soursop seeds for you guys. You also can plant your own soursop. And I just want to show you the pots. Here I'm cutting off these coconuts and make them to pots. And then we put soil in them and the seeds. Plant some new fruits, really organic, beautiful way. Time to get ready. We're going out on some adventures. Always be aware of unexpected things that could happen. We're just on our way out and it starts to pour down rain. What is your best tip to do when it's rain, honey?
I don't know, just relax, meditate, and just think positive thoughts. Maybe the rain will stop.
Yeah.
That's the thing when you are about to go somewhere. The worst weather, if it is the worst weather, is rain. My opinion, because you get so wet.
Yeah. But it would be really good to have a car, but then it wouldn't be any problem. But when you're driving motorbike,
that is hard. Because you get so wet when you're driving.
yes, but maybe we put on the raincoat and go. We see how it goes. If it's not stopped raining, we have our things we want to do. So then we just go out in the... We're just here looking around for houses, and this view is really beautiful. But we're looking for something bigger, so we might keep watching for houses and villas.
Yeah, but the view is really beautiful here.
Amazing. Out to some wet house hunting now at the farmer's market, and let's see if we find something nice.
This the last. Yeah, the one already begin to flower.
Oh.
Juicy. Very good. Sweet.
Thank you. Always nice when you've been out driving in the rain, take a cup of coffee. So I grab a takeaway and we're gonna go home and make Melanie some nice herbal tea, right?
Yes.
You got from the market, darling?
What's it called?
Charlotte?
Charlotte.
More in our magic
cucumbers. We also bought some rambutan, but we ate that, as you saw. And then some ginger.
Nice.
A lot of tomatoes. And a lot of okra.
Yeah, okra is really nice to have in casserole or in stew. If you haven't tried it before, you should really try okra.
Or soups.
Yeah, soups. So time to dig into some lunch, or what you're saying?
Yeah, we're gonna soon go to an event we're gonna show you later. But we wanna dig in on some bananas.
Yeah, so the big one, what are they?
Pisang
Andong.
andong.
one of my favorite bananas. You know, I like big bananas. What are the other one?
And that's pisang
Kayu?
Kayu.
Or Kayu?
Kayu, yeah.
And they are very nice.
Yeah, they're a little bit like, and the seeds inside are a little bit like crunchy. So they're really like chewy and really fantastic. Let's dig in.
You're also really chewy and fantastic.
Yeah, I know.
Time to dig in. With one banana here. Can you see? Big and nice. Time to peel it. See, they are really big. Nice. So they're a little bit brown here. I think it's no problem, but
no.
I just bite it off either. So, do you see the banana inside? It's very creamy and more reddish in color. So, I gotta dig in. Really creamy vanilla taste. So now we're here again. Behind us is where the farmers market were, and where are we going now, Melanie?
Sayuri Healing Foods. Yeah, they invited us to come and try the desserts and food. They have some event today.
Yep.
So we're gonna go inside and see.
Yeah, absolutely.
Never been here before.
It's gonna be quite exciting.
Milk or cheese or cream. Okay? So that the enzymes are active. If you're not soaking, they are sleeping. Very tiny berries from 3 millimeters to 4, so very tiny. And as a kid, you start picking them up and you became all purple very quickly because it's full of antioxidants. So the more purple the fruit, the more antioxidant they have with this. And they found
I see some cold ice-cold coffee soda with, I think it was cacao, coffee, banana.
Tastes like?
Very nice. Tastes a bit like banana seeds. If you try that candy, a little bit like that, with a little bit of coffee flavor.
So here's a juice with carrot, what was it, pear, turmeric, and some other things. Apple, I think.
Yeah. Like it?
Yeah, it's really mild. Mostly like things like carrot and apple.
You guys are...
So lots of dishes had nuts inside, so we ordered some extra.
Yeah.
Without nuts.
Yeah, so the cooking class was really nice. We learned to make like 2 types of raw desserts, but they were with nuts. But
you can implement it without nuts if you like to. Very easy with other seeds.
Yeah. So
What did we order now?
it was 2 nourish bowls, one with quinoa and one with the normal rice.
No, thank you for you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. Loved it, the food, the experience. I hope I'll see you around or here, because it's like the spot when you try the food here, you can't leave.
Thank you so much.
To be stuck.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting. Thank you. Time to begin in this deliciousness. I love tempeh. I'm gonna take a bite of tempeh and combine it. You see, we got rice, we got this beautiful, beautiful sweet potato. I'm gonna take this combination.
Was it good?
The tempeh is so nicely marinated and crunchy and soft at the same time, and combined with the avocado, you just get yumminess in a one bite.
Can I ask you, what do you think about the sweet potato? Do you think it tastes, this purple sweet potato tastes exactly like the red one?
Yeah. And this one is really cool. It's like coconut chips with sweet chili.
Are you staying tonight?
It tastes almost like sour cream onion chips. Really amazing with a little bit of kick in it. It's starting to be good time to go inside and edit this video for you guys. You will have it tomorrow and can see it. And but we have a really beautiful and nice evening, afternoon, didn't we?
Yeah, the food was all great.
Yeah, really nice food over there. Did you like any of the dishes, or what was your favorite on the dishes? Please comment down below. Or have you been to Sayuri Healing Food? Comment down below.
And also, yeah. So we have taken a nice evening walk now, so we're now going to edit this video and maybe have an evening snack or maybe have a cozy time, maybe swim in the pool, we never know.
Yeah, you never know. Oh, forgot one thing I have to tell you about this evening. When we were about to leave, I just asked Melvin, please can you give me the motorbike key, because I always put it in her handbag when we are in places so we don't lost it, and she couldn't find it anywhere. And I just looked around, couldn't find it, and then I just went out to the motorbike.
Yeah, I told him, like, maybe it's in the motorbike, still in the motorbike. He's like, no, I put it in a bag.
Yeah. And when I went to the motorbike, I find it there. And I think only in Bali you can have your key in the motorbike for just 5 hours and nobody steal it from you.
Yeah. And also another funny thing, when we went out yesterday morning, Tobias went to the door. I mean, to the front, what's it called? The wall that we go out from our house. And I was like, oh my god, what's that? And he was like, screaming because he thought it was like a snake or something.
Yeah.
And then it was what's called gecko, a dead gecko in the pool, in the bottom of the pool.
Yeah.
Too bad.
Yeah, poor little fella couldn't swim and jump into the chlorine pool, and of course you find your destiny there.
Yeah, so it was so terrible to see.
Yeah.
He laying there in the bottom with his feet up.
So guys, if you like this video and want more videos from Bali, please give a thumbs up. And I know we got a lot of people saying what kind of videos you want to have here, but please comment more videos, what you want to have from here, or any questions.
Do you want us to visit any special place you have seen or been to? Please comment down below, and we would love to visit that place, or maybe do some of the things you would like us to do. Absolutely. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to do it now, because it's coming more, even more fantastic, exciting videos, we promise you guys. Yeah. So with that said, we wish you a fantastic evening, morning, day, whatever you're watching this. Yes. So bye bye from beautiful Bali. Bye. Bye.